Oh gosh. And welcome back to the Midwestern Samoan. We were just, I had to, this is Lucy, everyone. The Samoan word for today is ngata, which means snake. She's a chocolate python. So my sons had to, I guess you're supposed to, I don't know anything about snakes, by the way. Growing up in my house, we weren't like allowed to have pets. I don't know if that's a Samoan thing or whatever, or if just my mom thing. We never had any pets, none. But now I have two dogs and a snake. This is Mosiah's snake, and Lori loves her, right, dear? Right?
She's nice.
Do you want to hold her?
No. I don't want to hold anything.
Just wanted to get on again to remind everyone about the classes that we're starting, and how it's just another form or another just another format that we've added to be able to spread the language and to help anyone learn like that wants to. And so what I've always done is the one-on-one lessons, and that's the $100 a month for 30 minutes a week. I've been saying hour, like it's a 30-minute lesson. I don't know why I said an hour. I think it's because the classroom setting is an hour class, so I got that confused. Sorry if that confused anyone, but yeah. So the classes we're doing, and that's $30 a month. So the one-on-one lesson is $100 a month for one 30-minute lesson a week, and then the classroom one is $30 a month, just to make it more affordable or tangofie. And then I had another thought today of some things that will kind of trip up my students and little simple things to help remember is the days of the week. So, and some funny ways that you can remember the days. If you already know the days of the week, that's great. Congratulations, that's good. Just a lot of times I feel like it takes a minute sometimes to be like, oh, what day is that? I don't know. So we're just gonna do a quick overview of the days of the week. And before we do that, though, again, just wanted to remind you guys if one of the best ways to support the channel and to support what we're doing here is not only to sign up for the classes and sign up for the lessons, but also check out the TikTok shop. You can grab a sticker. We'll be adding more things. We will eventually to the shop, but all of our energy and time has been towards really pushing the actual lessons. So that's where we're at. So again, check out the shop. You'll find a couple of things there. I like the one thing, if you're in like a crowded mall or a crowded shopping center, when you have the sticker on the back of your car, because you like most likely there's be other cars that are like yours, but no other cars that have the Samoan word of the day on the back. So just think of that one, huh? That's another good reason to get a bumper sticker. So, and they look cool, and they're great conversation starters. I haven't had one start yet, but maybe one day someone will be like, what's that mean? What's that? What's Samoan, right? And so who knows? But
Or
Somalian. Man, has anyone heard Somalian at all? Because I've gotten that multiple times. So, like, are you Somalian? Like, no, I'm not a pirate from the, I don't know what sea, Mediterranean or wherever they are pirating right now. But yes, Somalian, that's a funny one. And comment below what other ones you've heard as far as people asking where are you from? Right? So, and the funny thing is, anytime someone asks me where am I from, I play dumb and I'm like, oh, I'm from Kansas City. I'm like, what else? So,
That question still confuses me. I really think that they are asking, like, where are you from? But it's still a white people thing.
that's funny. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Solomon Islands. That's funny. Solomon Islands. That's a good one.
Oh,
Haven't
man.
heard that one yet.
Solomon Islands. That's a good one. Or like,
Can you read them?
yeah, no. Okay, so I would people what they said. So that's funny. I think you're asking like where Aumau I like Aumau I like where don't understand, but yeah, don't know. Anyways, let's go to the days of the week, right? Let's go to the day number 1, Asusa, right? So Sunday, and if you know what sa means like it's like restricted or holy or whatever. So that makes sense, right? Asusa. I feel like most people remember Sunday because of that. And so that's like the day, that's the holy day, the Sabbath day, right? Sapati, right? But Asusa. But it also means like restricted, right? It means like when something sa. Oh, yeah, Kansas City. Independence. But if you're really asking like where I'm from, like my parents are from, my dad's from Mulifanua and my mom's from Savai. So I feel like that's what you're asking there. Okay. I just learned something. Man, Falai Kapisi? But thank you. That's what's really funny about your name. I didn't even realize that your name was Falai Kapisi. Is my my daughter, her absolute favorite food, like out of all the foods in the world, like if you ask her, hey, what's your favorite food? Or like, what do you want to eat? Like, she'll tell you falai kapisi. But not just any falai kapisi. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah, you're very welcome. Yes. But yeah, falai kapisi, man, like, not just any falai kapisi, my mom's falai kapisi. Okay, there you go. So that's your absolute favorite food in the world. Hey, we love it, man. We all love falai kapisi. But as for me, I stopped eating red meat like 8 years ago. So it has to have at least chicken in it, and I still feel a little bit bad for eating chicken, but not that bad. I feel more bad about eating like cows and lamb and all that. So I stopped eating that, and I feel better not eating it too. So as long as it has chicken. But Lori, she doesn't eat any meat. So yeah, there we go. Eleni, yes, fly kapisi with the eleni is delicious. But I haven't had eleni in forever. So, so we have to make like a separate batch with like with just the vegetables, with just the falai kapisi and carrots and all that. So, oh hey, thank you falai kapisi for the for becoming a member on the team. I don't know what that means, but like you are number 12 member on the team. Hey, that's top 12. Like I don't. Like TikTok just said, you're number 12, so congratulations.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it means, but you also just got the number 1 gifter badge. Hey, I feel like that's almost like 1 million Midwestern Samoan points, which you can again you can go and redeem.
You should actually have some.
I will. I
thing
feel like doing
where
it.
you can people you keep their points.
Yeah, I do.
And then you send them a sticker.
Yeah, I'm gonna start.
do.
I'm gonna start giving points to people who answer the questions. Who
should.
whatever. And I'll send you a sticker. Man, that's a good idea.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. Well, look at this. Genius. All right, so back to the days of the week. So we have Asosa, which like almost everyone, no one ever forgets Asosa for some reason. I think it's because we've emphasized it so much in the culture, and just to know the word to like whenever it's sa, means whenever you go live or battle, I can get on and help you with your live or battle. Oh, okay, battle. TikTok battles? Oh man,
is that a thing?
I didn't know I had to rap. Get in. I'm
They have that?
gonna have to like channel my inner Eminem and rap battle with people. Battle? That's weird. Who's gonna? All right, so don't try to battle me now. I have for like Kapisi on my team, so watch out. Whatever that means. So asasa, I feel like when you know the word, like when something is sa, right? You know it's forbidden or something. So I just feel like that's one that's easy for everyone to remember. Now Monday, I feel like it's a little different story. I feel like people are just like Monday. What's Monday? Monday, asongafua, right? Asongafua, a one way. You can roast anybody on the battle. Okay. All right. So that means like you can comment at like your comment will come up at the top of the list, I'm guessing. You can. So, all right then. You're number 12 on the team to help me roast anyone who's trying to battle me. So, I like that. Let's build this Midwestern Samoan team to keep away the haters, right? They're trying to battle. I like that. So Monday, asongafua. If you understand the meaning of the word ngafua, then that'll help. And ngafua means like to be free from restrictions, right? So if you remember the word ngafua, to be free from restrictions, it's coming. Like that's Monday. That's the day after Asasa. Oh, ha! Hey, okay, Poochie. I do voice lessons.
Message in the inbox.
Yeah, message in the inbox, and we'll send you more details. And then we'll definitely give you more details on that. But the focus has been more on the language, so.
But he's been teaching voice lessons for years.
Yeah, the voice and piano. I've been doing that since since the beginning of time.
What, like 15 years or so?
Yeah, something like that. That's my degree is in music from the conservatory here. So, number 13 member on the team. Who is it?
I don't know.
The
Victor badge, Aka.
Aka or AKA, I don't know.
Thank
but
you.
I'm guessing Aka. Thank you, Aka. And if you the Samoan word Aka or Ata is to laugh, right?
Your maka maka are so shiny today.
Just mata.
There's no reason why he was crying all morning. That's why.
Yes, crying all morning. If I'm not laughing, I'm crying, right?
That's funny. That's agony prime.
Mata are so. It's just mata, right? Mata is to watch.
What?
Mata is to watch.
Maka.
Yeah, mata is just eye or eyes. So.
Hi, Agony Prime.
What's up, Agony Prime? Hey, so I thought Dwayne is always grace. Thanks, Jay. Actually, Dwayne should be thanking you. I always tell. It's funny. I always
Can
tell
you give
my
us-
son
this is
Mosiah.
funny. This is funny.
Can you give us a? It's too early in the morning.
No, you can do it.
I don't know if it's gonna pick it up because it's so right. So it's a chee-hoo, right, or a chee-hoo. Yeah. So now I'm gonna, even though our neighbors are like far away, like I know they hear it, and
That's not even a very loud one.
it's not. It's not. It's kind of early in the morning, but yes, like chee-hoo.
Waiting for the.
Oh, see, like it's funny when the moment you hear the ingy for like it just like swells up in you, right? Like it's like an automatic response, right? Because I almost did it just now, even when Lori was just like, even when she was just making fun of it, like I just felt this response to be like, oh, what it's happening, right? Like, and so that's really funny. That's I don't know if that happens to anyone else. I'm sure it is, but if you know, you know. So the oh, hey, that's great, Akko. That's good. Hey, it's funny. I've always like try to pick up Tongan too, like as I go because I have family that's married to Tongan. So it's man, that's great. I think that's and there is a family that's married into my family, and the funny thing is their dad's Samoan and their dad's Tongan and their mom is Samoan, but anyways, they speak both like fluent. So I always think that's crazy. And then I have a couple cousins who will speak both kind of fluent too. So that's good to be bilingual even in the Polynesian languages. So yeah. Oh dang. Okay, there you go. Agony Prime, man, you got your Tongan nephew living with you. Look at you, like you're taking care of the sandwiches at the casino or whatever gambling establishment, and you're taking care of your Tongan nephew. That's good, and that's a good idea to learn the Tongan. So all I have is Fefeake, right, and Saipe. That's terrible, I know, and Malo Lele, right? So it's like Malo Lele, yeah, something like that. So those are my. I feel like there's another one I know. Nope, that's all I got. Oh well, like there's some funny words. So me'ai is Samoan for food, right? And in Tongan, there's so many like kas. It's a harsher language. I need one of the living room flags every. Cook, learn, draw. Yeah, you do.
That's funny.
Cook, learn, draw. That's great. That's it. I think you're absolutely right. Cook, learn, draw. I think that's at least as far as what I know from you over the past few months. That makes sense. So, if anyone doesn't know, Agony Prime is crazy talented artist. And so he tuned me, and to this day I show everyone that picture, by the way, or create, and we could absolutely. So yeah, that's great. So man, we should make, cook, learn, draw. I think though for most people it would change to like eat, learn, draw. So it'd probably change, or maybe cook, eat, learn, because I don't think everyone draws. So we can do cook, eat, learn, or learn, cook. Anyways, yeah, good idea. But man, that picture though, that I have a video somewhere down in the maybe we should pin that, dear. Can we pin that?
Hold on.
There's so many similar. Yeah, there are. So like what I was saying, me'ai, it's just me'akai. At least that's what I learned. Like, though I'm not the expert here, but I'm pretty sure food in Tongan is me'akai. I think. Now it sounds weird, but correct me if I'm wrong, but just adding that harsh K in there, it's got more K in it, right? So that's but Agni Prime again. Like that picture. Like man, I don't know. I was so proud of that picture. Okay, all right, yeah, okay. So look, like that's the similarity. It's just sometimes you can just add the K and call it a day, but not. I don't think that's very often, but maybe it is. So again, and what I've been meaning to tell you, Agni Prime, is like next to my picture of the tune would be great.
No.
Lori's picture, right?
No.
Like that would be, if we could have a side by side, that'd be that man. That would make my day. My birthday's coming up, so I'm just saying.
Stop it.
That'd be pretty amazing to have us both tuned. So
He's thinking.
I'm just putting it out there, right? I've noticed that sometimes when you have K's and names, it'll change to T's. Yeah, yep. Because of the ta and the ka form in Samoan. That's exactly why. So it's it will turn. And so that's kind of funny that it goes either way. A lot of times we'll turn the T's into K's, but we'll also turn the K's back into T's. So that's exactly right. Oh yeah, the ta and the ka form. That's pretty much the reason. I'm sure, and I don't know the reason why there is a ta and ka form. The consensus, at least with me and like my family and like, just me and my parents, like, and they'll say this a lot. They'll call it like a lazy way of speaking, and I'm like, are you kidding me? Like we're like, I hate to call it lazy. I'll call it more like, what would you call it, dear? Like laid back.
It's the 5 pound.
Yeah, it's like, man, if we can make it easier, we will, right? So, like, we're like, it's a little harder to say T than it is to say K. I don't know. Like, if you think about it, like, even the name Aka, right? It's, for some reason, it's like, it doesn't take as much to say Aka than it would say Ata. I know it's a tiny difference, but when I got word checked. What's her favorite animal? I could Disneyize her favorite animal. Oh, I got what word checked? What's her favorite animal? Disney her favorite animal. Okay, but wait, what does word checked mean? T's are the proper and formal way of speaking. K's are used informally and has become more common. That's right, Motusa. Exactly. And it's become so common. It's like I mean it's oh,
I don't even know what that is.
that comment warning word checked.
What does that mean?
Disney, I don't know what that means.
Something
Comments.
said filter or something. We don't know anything still.
Yeah.
We're like,
Like, even though we've been doing this for a while, it doesn't feel like we've been doing this a while. Like, there's so many
we do
things.
this enough. They're like,
And our daughter, she has a business like that she drives through TikTok, and she'll tell us all these things that happens because she does lives like every day, and like she's like, oh, this happened. I'm like, I don't know. What does that mean? I have no idea. So, okay, her favorite animal is a koala, but hey, send me your email. Message me your email, and we'll talk. Yeah.
oh no.
Or tautala, right? Or talanoa, right? You don't hear the T's a lot. Now you hear the 5 hours and older generations using it. Yep, that's right. That's right. And so, Motusa, I love that you bring that up. And so in the lessons, I emphasize to them, hey, we're going to focus on the ta form to be yep. Yeah. It is respectful to turn it back from the ka to the ta. That's right. It's putting more respect on the word or on the name or on the language. Yeah, I'll go with that. And people from Fituta, Manua are the ones that use it more. Like, Mochusa, are you saying they use the ta form more or the ka form? Because, like, like everyone, like, because my family again, they're from Savai'i. My mom, my dad, Muli Fanua. When all of my family speak here, it's ka form. It's all ka and nga, this, and this, and it's just like that's what I grew up with. But in the lessons, I tell them, hey, we're gonna focus on the ta because it's proper. It's easier to go, and I explain to them, it's easier to go from the ta form to the ka. So if you know the ta, then you'll know the ka form. So and it might take a little bit. It might take a little bit to like process, like when you're speaking to people, because most people do speak in the ka form. But it's just I just believe deeply that the ta form needs to be preserved and needs to be learned and needs to be like taught always first. So there's my little public service announcement for the ta form and the ka form. So yes. So if they use the T, that's good. Siana, is that a snake?
Yes.
It is. This is Lucy. Hey, hi, Lucy.
Hi, Lucy.
Ole ngata. Yep. So this is Lucy. Mosiah, he said in Manua we're taught the T, but it's become common using the K. Yep, that sounds right. I don't doubt that one bit because everyone that even coming from Samoa that visit here, like they just the ka form, they just go right into it. So with everyone else, but the older generation, most people from Fituta are known to use the T in daily. Good, that's good. The younger people should take note, I think, and do it. But okay, here's a funny thing that and that my auntie told me one day. Oh, Oklahoma in the house. All right, coffee. Welcome from Oklahoma. That's not far from
I
us.
said, "What's up with Oklahoma?"
No, it says what's up from Oklahoma.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't know.
I don't know what's up with
going on in
Oklahoma. What's going on in Oklahoma?
He doesn't watch the news.
It's probably hot. I don't know. That's all I got. Yes, from Oklahoma. What's up with Oklahoma?
I was like, man, is there something going on? We don't watch the news.
We both don't know about
TikTok
that
is where we get the news.
Hey, good. Use the videos, and if your husband is thinking about the lessons, we have class this Saturday. Message us if he wants to join the class and learn more about that side. That would be amazing. So the
That's right. Never too late to learn.
Never. That's right. Mochusai, you tell him. Because, short story. My degree, like I said, my bachelor's degree is in music. And I got that at 40. So it's never too late. Never too late to learn. So I had a 70-year-old piano student. And she was like, I wanted to learn, and I'm like, that's good. It's never too late. So, what was I saying about? Dang, I'll say something about the. Now I lost my train of thought. Dang, back to the days of the week. So, we were on Monday. So Asamafua, that's that's when you know Asasa is like the day that like is like the day of restriction or the day of Sa, right? Like forbidden or taboo. Mafua means to be like free from those things. So that's an easy way to remember Monday. So oh okay. That's good. the So Asamafua, that's an easy way to remember. And then Asolua, that was it to me. I thought that was to be, but it wasn't. So Asolua, that's an easy one because it's. I mean, I guess not because if you're really thinking of Asosa as day one and Asamafua as day two, Asolua I guess doesn't make sense. But like for some reason, the like not to go into like religion or whatever, but when I was growing up, I always thought of Monday as the first day of the week, and I thought of Sunday as the seventh day of the week. Like I never really paid attention to calendars, so that's why Asolua always made sense to me because Monday to me felt like the start of the week, and then and when you really think about it, it makes sense to when you look at. I mean, what are the days of the weekend, dear?
What?
What are the days? When you think of weekend, what are the days?
Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday, right? But you have that argument that Sunday's the first day of the week. But like I never thought that growing up. I just always thought that Sunday was the seventh day, and not to mention like the seventh day, like God rested and all that stuff. So I just assumed like Sunday was the seventh day. So that's why Asolua makes sense. Always made sense to me as Tuesday because it was the second day of the week. So easy way to remember. I just remembered it just because it sounded like Lua. Does that make sense, dear?
What?
I just remember Wednesday, Asolulu, just coming after Asolua.
I don't know.
Like I was just like Lulu and Lua sound alike, so I just remembered Wednesday coming after Tuesday and Lulu after Lua. I don't know. And then Astofi, I had a cousin named Motofi. that's the only reason I remember Thursday as Astofi. Like, hey, use whatever you want. Like, Tofi I think means to like separate or something like that. Like means to like, to separate or divide, right? Tofi, yeah. So I don't know. It's somewhere in the middle of the week. It separated the week. So, and then, and of course, especially if you know English, then the Friday is easy, right? Because it sounds like Friday, right? Dear, do you remember what Friday is?
What?
Do you remember what Friday is?
Friday? I don't know.
That's right. Say it
know.
again. Say it again.
Friday.
For Riley. Originally it had the R in there for Riley. But if you know.
Lyle.
Yeah, for Riley. That's
Friday.
right. It sounds like Friday. We always turn R's into L's because it wasn't an original sound in the Samoan language. It's not. It's the only reason it was added to the alphabet was because of other language words, and I'm pretty sure it's just English. So the R always turns into L, like everything, right? Like even like I'm pretty sure even if you spell oh, thank you, Agni Prime. Good to see you. Glad you could join us. Message me your email and your phone number, and we'll talk. So because I really need another right next to mine. It'd be great.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
No.
Yes, it'd be. Oh man, it'd be so awesome. We like literally 20 years ago. we went to where was it? Chicago?
Yeah.
Yeah, Navy Pier, and we had like this cartoon guy, like do a portrait of us. Man, like he did us dirty.
He didn't do me dirty.
He didn't do her. He did me dirty.
He did you dirty.
He did me
look
like
good, whatever.
Man, don't make me go grab it. I will grab this. It does not look
yes,
good.
It does.
Man, I just to settle this argument, I want whoever's out there. I don't know if there's one person or two people.
I mean, it made
whatever.
my jaw like took my square jaw.
Yeah, like they totally turned her jaw into like the most square jaw you've ever seen in your life. But man, if you see what they did to me, like if you don't think that he did me dirty, then we're not friends. That's all I'm saying.
Whatever.
No. If you don't think this guy did me dirty, if you like everyone on here, I don't know how many people are on here. I'm gonna show you this picture, right? I'm gonna show you. And then go look at what Agony Prime did. I feel like Agony Prime was like more of a realistic tune or sketch artist or whatever artist.
You look like Fat Albert.
It's messed up. I'm gonna show you guys. Tell me when you can see it.
Oh,
Can you guys see this? Can they see it?
Yeah.
Can you guys see this picture?
It made my jaw weird.
There's me, Lori, and Mariah. Like 2004. So literally 20 years ago. Look what they did to me. Look, that's what? Like I better be seeing comments from everybody that they did me dirty, right? I gotta get comments from tell me they did me dirty.
They didn't do you
what?
dirty. Looks fine.
This doesn't look fine.
That's what they are supposed to do.
That's what they're supposed to. They're supposed to make you look like Fat Albert.
What?
Hey! That's what I feel like. Hey, they did me dirty. Hey. Man, can they see this?
Yeah,
can you guys see this? Can you guys see how they did me dirty? No comments? Come on. Everyone, whoever, I don't know how many people are on here, but let them know they did me dirty.
We had to frame it.
What would they say? I'll die, you guys frame it. Of course we framed it.
I like it.
We framed it because it's memories, right? This is our memory. No matter how dirty they did me, we still gonna frame it. Yes, thank you, Akka. Disrespectful.
No,
yes,
good.
They did me dirty. Look, even Lucy saying, yeah, they did you dirty. Yep, chiming in. That's so messed up. What? No.
Yes, it's fine.
No. It's messed up.
They made Mariah look like a big head.
Yeah, they made my daughter. My daughter is not Meryl Streep. That's all I'm saying. Like what?
Whatever.
Mariah does not look like Meryl Streep. I don't know. Like this is like our family picture from like whatever. Can they see this?
No.
Can they see?
You gotta pull it over a little bit. So.
Can you see this?
This is a long time ago.
This is a long time ago, but still give you a better picture of
she was little.
Yeah, she was little, but still they made her look like Meryl Streep. Like I didn't know we were supposed to be rich, right? From all her acting or whatever. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah, Agony Prime much more talented than this Joker, J.I. Silva. Sorry.
Stop, that's not right.
I know that's
Don't
messed
do
up.
that.
What? I didn't.
Come on, bro.
20 years ago, who knows?
What? That's not nice.
No,
Nicer
I'm calling him out. We paid him.
I'm glad.
We paid him.
Like that because you're mean.
What?
Sitting there calling him out like that. You
What?
Called artists out like that.
He's messed up. He's messed up.
He didn't mean. He wasn't trying to be mean.
Oh no.
Anyways.
That's pretty mean.
No.
That is not nice. Not nice. Anyways, where were we? Friday? Man, we're gonna get through all these days eventually. Friday. What's Friday, dear?
Friday. Falaile.
Falaile.
Aso falaile.
Aso falaile, right? Aso falaile. As the point I was making about the R's, it's just not a it's just not a sound that's just not a sound that was ever in the language, right? It just wasn't. But because there's so many words with R in it, like that. That's it's just added. Along, if you can name the other two letters that were added, I'm pretty sure they were added at the same time. You get 1,000,000 Midwestern Samoan points. So
You should actually keep track of these.
I know.
Maybe on an Excel spreadsheet.
maybe
So then, like,
I would,
yeah.
and maybe I'll just make it 1 point. You get a Midwestern Samoan point that you can redeem at the end of this live for a sticker, right? Or maybe not the
Or
end of
we
this
come
live,
back, yeah.
but like when you come back, you can rack up the points, and maybe if you get 20 points, and we'll keep track of them, and you can help us keep track of them for yourself too. Don't be coming back here though, like the next live, be like, I had 18 Samoan Midwestern Samoan points last night. Come on, we can check. So
What is TH? What does that mean? All these letters. What's that mean?
oh, they're trying to say that the other two letters along with the roll. So
Oh, okay. We got
So-
H, we got W, we got T, we got H.
there's no W. What? But wait, who said H?
I don't know. It's E.
Who's the first one? EYM?
Oh no, Ceci.
Ceci? H.
Wait,
You
no,
are-
no, EYM did.
EYM? You are correct. But there's another one.
I don't know.
But he, ro, the other one that comes in between those in the alphabet. These three letters. And did anyone say K?
EYM did.
Hey, EYM, you are the winner. He, ka, ro. That's right. Those are the three letters that were added later. And, because of just so many borrowed English words. Like, Isakorimi.
Yeah.
It's like and we never say it. We spell it Isakorimi, right? But no one ever says Isakorimi. That sounds weird, right? Isakorimi, right? So the R's, like, they just even even Lori's name, like she gets called Loli sometimes, so it's funny. So so the R's, that's why Asofalaile or Asofaraile. And then for those of you just joining, don't forget that the reason why we're here is to remind you guys of the options that are available to learn. Well, we always have the one-on-one lessons. They're $100 a month for a 30-minute lesson a week, and we'll go over things like the basics, especially the basics and the Ta form, and go over the differences between the forms. Go over the basically the 4 parts of language, right? And that's of course comprehension, and that's of course thing. I have them in the slide, but the pronunciation, and then fluency, and things like that. We'll go over all those things. And is ka informal for ta? Yes, it is. Ka is informal from ta. It's the ta is more formal than the ka. And then my little sister's name is Tahera, but my grandpa calls her Tahela. That's right. It's just the R is just, it's not a sound for native Samoan speakers, or only, like, if that's their only language, to say that they will turn it into Tahela. Absolutely. It will forever be Tahela. It will never be Tahera. just so you know. Just like for some people, like my auntie Olepa, it will always be Loli. It'll never be Lori. It's hi Loli. Right there. Mm-hmm. So that's just what it is, and it's funny, but it's just it's just what it is. Now we have the Asofalaile, and then Saturday, Asoto'na'i, right? And if everyone knows the word To'na'i or Ko'na'i, that's like, a get together, or and it's the day to get together, right? The day to gather, the day to partay, right? So, askongai, that's an easy one to remember that because it's Saturday. Saturdays, it's like the weekend's here. Let's get together, right? And feel all right. So, those are the days of the week. Asusa, asongfua, asulua, asululu, asutofi, asufaraile or asufalaile, and then asutonai, asukongai. So there. Bonus, because Lori said this earlier. I guess we can go over the months real quick. What do you think, dear?
Sure.
Let's do it. Do you remember?
The only one
Jan-
is September. I mean, I guess I could probably go through.
There, good job.
Let's see.
And September is for
If you
what
just give
month?
me the letter,
September's for what?
September, but
Yes.
because it's your least favorite.
Even though it's my birthday month, it's my least favorite month.
And then let's see, January. Okay, what does it start with?
E or I. E in Samoan, but I.
Inuary.
Close.
Inuary.
Yeah.
Yanuary.
Yeah, that's it. January, right? Or Januali.
I knew it was something weird like that. And
It
then,
is. February.
February. February. Febularious.
No. Try to like try to Samoify. Samoify February.
I don't know. February. I don't know.
February.
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 Or February, right?
February,
No
I
one
like
ever
that
says
better.
February, I feel like.
February.
But that's technically what it is, February, right? February, right? So even saying it sounds ari, like it's weird, right? And then, okay, go March, try it.
What does it start with?
M. For more. Try to just turn it into
March.
March?
I don't know. March. I don't think there's C's, is there, right?
Nope, there's no
C's.
C's.
I don't know.
Matzi.
Oh, that would never guess. That.
Matzi.
I remember April, something like.
Yes.
It sounds just like April.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't remember. It's something like. I don't remember. Auberily?
Yep.
Auberily, something like
Yep.
that.
Aperila. Right?
Aperila.
Or apelila, right? So technically there's the R in there, but you never hear aperila. It's apelila. You can get this one.
May. I don't know why I don't remember anything.
It's
I remember August.
what is it?
Apuso.
That's right.
And because the students, he's got a piano student named Apuso.
Yes.
His name's August.
Yes.
He's a Palangi.
Yes, he's a Palangi
calls
kid.
him Apuso.
Yes, I call him Apuso every time he gets out. His
don't
name
know
is
the rest.
August.
I don't know the rest.
May, come on, May.
I don't know.
May. It's just May.
Oh. Meh. Meh.
Meh.
Meh.
June.
Oh no.
Think of January. How January started. Januari.
Who know? I don't know.
Do it again.
Who know?
Uni.
Uni.
Or Jungi. Right?
Uni, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. February is hilarious.
February.
Oh, yes, Aka. It's Uni. Yeah, close. Very good. And then, what? Thanks for playing along, though. And then you have, so going along with that, dear, Uni, what would July be?
It sounds just like July.
Yes.
It's
How does it start?
Uni. I don't remember.
January, Uni. You said it. It sounds just like July.
Julio. I don't know.
You lie. You lie. Oh, like you always tell me, you lie.
Yeah, that's easy. You lie. Okay. Okay.
Don't forget, lessons start on Saturday. Oh, actually, continue on Saturday.
They continue and
Yeah.
you can get caught up.
Second class is on Saturday for this session, I guess we'll call it. Yeah, we'll call it sessions, right? And you know, we'll start new sessions as more and more people sign up. So, but for this session, yes.
It's a lot of fun.
Yes.
For them.
Tell them again.
It's a lot of fun for them.
That's right.
Not so fun for me.
What?
No, what?
She has fun she's there during class. She has fun. I don't care what.
I take the notes.
She does take notes.
I do the.
She audits the class.
I audit.
She audits. She's my auditor.
Yeah.
Such a palangi. Oh my gosh, are we getting audited? So
yeah, not so fun for me.
yes, whatever. So yes, so you get grades and I get graded too. So see, we're always getting graded no matter what.
Yes.
So you lie. That's
I'll remember that one.
That's dumb.
You lie.
What's August again?
Okuso.
Okuso. That's also her birth month. So, and then what comes after that?
September.
September. And then Oktober. Like all of these is just borrowed. They're just borrowed, right? And it's funny. I always wonder, like if anyone knows, hey, feel free to comment. The way time and days were tracked in Samoa, like before 18 whatever, the mid 1800s when the London Missionary Society arrived, or whoever arrived, I don't know. Like before all of that, I always wondered like how were years and days and even age, like how is it tracked? Like I feel like indigenous people here in the States, I feel like and correct me if I'm wrong, any indigenous people here, I feel like they tracked it with like moon phases, I'm guessing. I think. At least that's what I heard. I don't like, does that sound right, dear?
What?
Like indigenous people tracking like time using the moon? Like moon phases? I feel like moon phases was a thing.
Probably.
Like and I know maybe this is again me being ignorant or whatever, but you ever hear the term many moons ago, dear?
Uh-huh.
Like, I feel like that's from the indigenous. You know, like many moons ago. And so, like, meaning like many moon phases ago. Like, the moon phases are like, and when you really think about it, 1,000,000 points to anyone who can tell me the Samoan word for moon.
It's not Luna.
No, this is not Spanish. It is not Luna. Because Luna is, well, it's Lunga, right?
Well, that's close if it was Lunga.
It's not Lunga.
Oh,
You know what Lunga is? Ilunga.
Lalo and...
Yes, very good. Very nice. Did you guys hear that? See? Lori knows. Someone say it. You lie for July, yes.
Oh, no.
July. Tongans will Tonganize a lot of English words. Yes. But these are actual, like, they actually became the language, right? So these months. So the Samoan word, like what I was trying to get at is the Samoan word for month or for moon is Masina. And the Samoan word for month also is Masina. So it's like Masina, right? So it's it's like when I think of the indigenous people, how they like track time, like the moon phases kind of do go along with months, doesn't it, dear? Like 28-day moon phase or something like that. I don't know.
I think so. Your thing's going off.
Uh-oh.
So I don't know what it is.
Did you hit it?
No, it's good.
Oh, can you hit it now?
You
Okay.
can sign off. You can sign off. So we'll sign off for now.
Okay. All right. Thank you for joining. And something's happening with the live, but all those who participated. Maybe next time we'll start the actual point system, and we'll. Oh, don't forget Saturday. If you get in now, we can. Message us. Don't forget Saturday is the next class. And side note, your plants are beautiful. That takes patience. Yes, that is all Loli. That is all Lori. Yes. Yes, you're getting a snippet, and maybe
those are the ones that are all a mess.
Yeah, those are kind of a mess, but these are more. This is more of the wall here, and you're right. It does take a lot of patience. So, all right. So again, thanks for joining, and you're very welcome. All right, Eagle. I'm glad you enjoyed it, and
especially the frame drawing.
I didn't appreciate it. Stupid drawing. Did me dirty, man. So yeah, it's saying to verify something on the live. I can't do it, but yeah, Saturday again. If you get in like as soon as possible, we can do like a little refresher or review over the last ones to get you caught up, and then you can join us on this Saturday's class. So
is that the message?
Yeah, message us, and we'll get back to you as like quickly. All right. Thanks a lot, Fafatai Lava, and we will see you next time. Maybe later today. Who knows?
It's taking forever.